Let's talk about what we have here today, and that is a zero static system. So like other systems that Ionic Systems do, if we couple this to a bolt-on tank, we'd be able to carry out remote access cleaning. As a static system, we would couple this to large storage tanks. This particular unit has twin heat exchangers, so it'll produce that pure water that we're going to produce through the reverse osmosis system and deliver that as a hot product. 18 meg, when water pressures and flows are good, this particular static system will give you 50 to 60,000 litres of 18 meg pure water per week. Originally designed and used heavily still today in the external cleaning industry, like window cleaning, building facades, signage, but over the last 5 to 10 years, Ionic Systems has ventured into other faculties, and I'd just like to run you through some of those different businesses that are currently using products like this static system and other products that Ionic Systems do. Laboratories, chemical manufacturing plants, powder coating facilities. Aviation is another large faculty which we've just got into, and Ionic Systems has signed an agreement with Boeing. So exterior aircraft washing, overhaul facilities within aviation, supplying water for engine compressor washing on fan jet and gas turbine engines, food processing plants, aquatics, marine aquatics, carrying out water changes, transportation cleaning, so the exteriors of trains, buses, trucks, car detailing, car washing, boat cleaning in the situation of such a product at a marina, which will allow, across all genres, chemical-free cleaning. Has all the flagship parts and accessories in relation to periodic flushing, RO maintenance systems that Ionic does build into their products. Remarkable warranties, the performance, the reliability, the ongoing running cost of such a piece of equipment is built to last. Any more information about this particular system or any other products that Ionic does do, you can get us at ionicsystems.com.au. Stay safe.